Well, it's a shitty old day here in Adelaide. We've pulled in here just to get our fridge sorted, and while we're here I thought I may as well show you guys how to fix a problem. There's a lot of people out there that complain about their shower not draining. We've tried putting the front of the van up, putting the front of the van down, leaning it to one side, leaning it to the other side. After about 9 months on the road, we discovered that I opened the breather tap properly. I'll put a video up in a minute. I'll put a little bit of a diagram as well, but all this here is your sullage coming out. There's no drain on it as far as angles go. It's usually pretty level on a Caravan, so there's nothing really to help the water flow. You open that breather tap on the top of your sullage or your grey water tank in here, all of a sudden air can come in, sullage can come out. It's that simple. Since we've opened it up, no issues at all. So yeah folks, get under there, open the breather and make your lives a whole lot easier. Alright, so here we are under the van, and I'm going to attempt to show you where the tap is, the breather tap. Now if you have a look here, you'll see that they've got all of the plumbing exits. They all come out through there. That's your sullage, and you'll see all this plumbing. You can hardly see it because I've covered up a bit, but up in the middle there you're going to see a tap. I put the light on it now, hopefully you can see that, and we'll have a look at it later on, but that's the breather tap. That's the breather tap that you need to turn on right there. It's a simple matter of getting your hand up there, seeing that tap open. You see that that tap's open, and that is going to fix all of your problems. It's really simple, guys. There's a diagram. You see the breather tap at the top. Don't worry about any of the other stuff. You don't have to worry about it. Just climb under your van, crawl under your van, send the missus under, or whatever you do. Turn that breather tap on. It's going to make your life a whole lot easier.